Good morning children, welcome to online classes. Today's topic is verb. So verb is a word which shows actions. Okay, verb is a word which shows actions, shows action. So all the action words. So verb is a word which shows action or the state of being, state of being or state of position, state of position, state of position, state of position. So verb is a word which shows action or state of being or state of position. Do you understand children? So verb is a word which shows action or state of being or state of position. So for example, which shows the action. Ramu is eating. Ramu is eating. So eating. What is Ramu doing? Ramu is eating. Eating, writing, working. All these are examples of action words. Working, sleeping, jumping. Okay, jumping, biting, kicking. All these are action words. So verb is a word which shows action or state of being or state of position. For example, for actions, Ramu is eating. Eating or writing or working, sleeping, jumping, biting, kicking. All these are examples for action words. Okay. So did you understand? So verb is a word which shows action or state of being or state of position. Action words example eating, jumping, biting, kicking, writing, working, sleeping, etc. Okay children, did you understand? Now in the case of state of being, it comes like is, am, or, was, were. Okay. So the words which shows in the state of being comes in the form of is, am, or, was, were. Okay. Now she, example, she is a smart girl. Smart girl. She is a smart girl. So is the verb here. State of being. State of being. State of being. State of being. Example for state of being. She is a smart girl. Next, I am a writer. I am a writer. So this am, state of being. State of being. So example, verb is a word which shows actions. I have already told you the action words. Like example, working, sitting, sleeping, jumping, walking. All these are examples for the words or actions. Next, state of being. It comes in the form of is, am, or, was, were. See, she is a smart girl. So is, it comes in the form of is. So we can in the higher classes we can learn about auxiliary verbs. Okay, there are auxiliary verbs and helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs or other name for auxiliary verb is helping verb, and this is the main verb. See, Sita is okay. Sita is eating. So this is eating is the main verb and S is the auxiliary verb. So it comes state of being, it comes in the form of is, am, or, was, or, were, etc. Okay. So example, she is a smart girl. Here is shows the state of being. Is shows the state of being. She is a smart girl. I am a writer. Am shows the state of being. Okay. Next comes the state of possession. Okay, next comes the state of possession. The verb shows the state of possession. For example, She has two cars. Two cars. This shows the state of possession. She is possessing two cars. Okay? Possession. The verbs which show the state of possession. Example, she has two cars. Next one. She had a dog. She had a dog. State of possession. State of possession. So the state of possession comes in the form of has, had, have, etc. Has, have, had, etc. Okay? These are the state of possession. State of possession. The verbs which shows the state of possession. Example, she has two cars. Here has shows the possession. She is having two cars. Possession. She had a dog. So example, has, have, had, etc. So I told you verb is a word which shows the action or the state of being or the state of possession. So action words means eating, eating, eat, sleep, write, work, jump. All these are examples for action words. These are all action words. Action words. Action words. Now the words which show the state of being comes in the form of is, am, or, was, were, etc. etc. Okay. Next, the verbs which shows the state of possession shows in the form of has, have, had, or etc. Example, she has two cars. She had a dog. So here has possession. It shows the possession. Okay. I hope you are clear with this topic. Verbs. Verbs are nothing but action words. It shows the actions. Next, it shows the state of being. Next, it shows the state of possession. Examples I have given. Now, some more examples I will say. First one, the dog bit the man. Here, which is the action word? Bit is the action word. This is the verb. This is the verb here. The dog bit the man. He is a good boy. Good boy. Here is the state of being. State of being. State of being shows the state of being. Next up. It was me. Here it was me. State of possession. State of possession. State of being. State of being. So the words which shows the action, the state of being and state of possessions are called verbs. Next one. I have your address. This shows the state of possession. This shows the state of possession. This shows the state of possession. So action words, verb is nothing but action words and it shows the state of being and state of possession.
End it.
So the words which shows the actions are called verbs, or in the state of being or state of possession. Every sentence has a verb and this verb is called the heart of the sentence. This is called the heart of the sentence. Heart of the sentence. Heart of the sentence. Okay children, I hope you are clear with this topic. Thank you.